Hey there, AAC block manufacturers. Are you tired of inconsistent limestone powder quality affecting your final product? What if I told you there's a machine that can transform your entire production process? Introducing our state-of-the-art limestone powder making machine specifically designed for AAC block factories. This isn't just another grinder. It's a complete solution engineered for precision and efficiency. Imagine getting perfectly uniform limestone powder every single time. No more variations in particle size that compromise your AAC block quality. Our machine delivers consistent fineness that ensures optimal chemical reactions during autoclaving. That means stronger, more durable AAC blocks with better thermal and acoustic properties. Let's talk about efficiency. This machine is an absolute game changer. With automated controls and smart monitoring systems, you'll reduce operational costs significantly. The advanced grinding technology consumes less energy while maximizing output. You'll see faster production cycles and higher throughput without compromising quality. Maintenance? We've got you covered with easy-access design and durable components. The machine requires minimal downtime, keeping your production line running smoothly. Safety features are built in to protect your operators and equipment. But here's the real benefit: improved final product quality. Consistent limestone powder means your AAC blocks will have better dimensional accuracy. Enhanced strength properties lead to fewer rejects and higher customer satisfaction. You'll notice improved workability during installation and better long-term performance. This machine integrates seamlessly with your existing production line. Whether you're upgrading or setting up a new facility, installation is straightforward. Our technical team provides comprehensive training and ongoing support. Think about the competitive advantage you'll gain in the market. Higher quality blocks mean you can command better prices and win more projects. Reduced production costs increase your profit margins substantially. Your customers will notice the difference in quality immediately. Don't just take our word for it. Manufacturers worldwide are already seeing results. One client reported a 30% increase in production efficiency within the first month. Another saw their block strength improve by 25% with more consistent quality. The return on investment typically happens within the first year of operation. Ready to transform your AAC block manufacturing process? Contact us today for a free consultation and production analysis. We'll show you exactly how our limestone powder making machine can benefit your specific operation. Upgrade your technology, improve your quality, and boost your profits. The future of AAC block manufacturing is here. And it starts with perfect limestone powder.